That's what's up. Let's get this wood working, crack-a-lacking.
The brew made it.
They say commandments gone away, so God's laws we do not obey. Because we're stuck in the matrix, the matrix. They put our murders on display and keep us in a lower state. Because we're stuck in the matrix, the matrix.
My people stuck in the matrix, groping at noonday, consumed by their worldly lust, giving their life away. Restored decay to state, that's what the Father told me. I'm in the hood every Sabbath, preaching the gospel, homie. The highways and hedges is where we posted up, giving all praise to the Father because He woke us up. Go not after thy lust, reframe thy appetite. Proverbs chapter 7 verse 2 will bring us back to life. My people zombies, congregation of the dead, stiff-necked rebellious children, what the Father said. Walking blindly, darkness in the daytime. Flee from that worldly shadow while it's still time. We the chosen, no Neo or Morpheus. Red or blue pill, your pick, ain't no force in this. Zechariah 11, start at verse 5. All praise to the Father, He opened up my eyes.
They say commandments gone away, so God's laws we do not obey. Because we're stuck in the matrix, the matrix. They put our murders on display.
I heard the block now with a chop, the prophet said a shot. I never thought the word of God would make them call the cops. This sword is not a prop, sharp like a sickle. My history a mystery, filled with misery. Came on a slave ship, filthy nothing to bathe with. We made a covenant, so with my blood I gotta pay. Wax holding in a strange land, my people went astray, we gotta pray. But sometimes wanna grab an AK because I see my people dying every day. In a land where there's no justice, no peace, the victim looks like me. Corruption in the precinct, you gotta be think. They give you drugs to sell like you would better rethink. They bringing drugs in my community, tell me where's the unity? Another brother just died, no opportunity. Destroyed for a lack of knowledge, that's both you and me. What's my nationality? Beat it out of me, slavery. Coming back to fear, God slave rebellion, bravery. The black messiah coming back with his sword, he saving me. At camp, no rep, no gas, me a root boy, no roll with me. Shit.
They say commandments gone away, so God's laws we do not obey. Because we're stuck in the matrix, the matrix. They put our murders on display and keep us in a low state. Is a no-go. So bro, we out on the corner to strengthen our nation. You are not a Haitian, stop eating crustacean. Don't marry Dalmatian, giving dictation to their congregation, cause their minds mutated. You don't know the law, you don't know the law. Trying to rebuttal scripts and contradict just so you can scoff. Brother, who you think you are? Your axe is real soft. And for all those idle words, your head coming smooth off. A tick-tock and he won't stop, but to the chop and we won't quit. We just waiting for the bomb drop, and when we hop in chariots, we go deep. The taste of sin is sweet, just like Matrix meat. So we on the street with heavy heat, and it's evident all of these derelict heretics, heritage terrorists, wannabe therapists, wickedness specialists, spiritual, very sick, demonic, parasitic, because they meddle in things they are better than, but rather settle in. Sin is gonna bury him instead of being better man. Damn. They say commandments gone away, so God's laws we do not obey. Because we're stuck in the matrix, the matrix. They put our murders on display and keep us in a low state. Because we're stuck in the matrix, the matrix.